Yo, what's up? So yesterday, mid game playing Warzone, like just hopped on. Mid game, I lose all sound through my Astro A20s, and it kind of cuts off, but then cuts back on like 20 seconds later randomly, and then cuts off again like a couple minutes later. But this time it just like stays off. I'm like, okay, what happened? So I literally reboot my whole PC like I would normally do. I've had these Astro A20s for about 2 years. So, like, I know how to work them. I know how to restart, like, the factory reset. That usually works. Like, I know every once in a while, it'll, like, unpair. And then you hold down, like, what is it? The game volume. And then the three little dots below the power button, whatever, the factory reset it. But I literally tried every method for like 2 hours yesterday. Like I plugged in, I unplugged my the receiver box, left it unplugged for like 20 minutes, plugged it back in. I plugged the cord, an USB cord to the back of my box as well. Nothing. Like I know my headset was charged. Like there's no dead battery issues or nothing. Like believe me, I know my headset. It just literally just quit playing. So I give up. I turn my PC off. I just woke up like 20 minutes ago, made some eggs. So I'm like, you know what? Let's see if my headset works. Whatever. So I was actually looking online yesterday at buying a new headset because I really didn't want to have to, but I already picked out a few headsets, like some newer ones. But I mean, I'm fine with my headset. Like I hear fine. Like quality's great. Probably not the best, but like I don't think you can get too much better. But I might get the Astro A50s or something. But as of right now, I plugged in my PC, put my headset on, try to reset it, like the factory reset, where you hit like modes and game volume, hold it down for like 5 seconds, and then let it go. It goes boo 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 and turns back on. And nothing happened. Turn it on, turn it back off. Nothing happened. And I literally had my headset plugged up to my receiver overnight, like charging it as well. I usually don't leave it inside my receiver. I have it into my other USB on my PC, not in the back of the receiver. So it was hooked up at the time, and then I said, screw it. So I went and tried it one more time and plugged in the back of the receiver, which is like the little box that the Astro receives the, Bluetooth for the wireless connection that comes with the headset. And I plugged in the cord one last time, and I wasn't doing anything at all. I was just like literally just listening to some music. Well, wasn't listening to music, it was just playing. And out of nowhere, it just like resyncs and is playing. Like I looked up so many different videos and try to fix this. Like I just feel like sometimes it just goes full dummy mode, whatever, where it just like won't work. All I can say is don't throw your headset away. Make sure you try every method, and if it doesn't work, just leave it unplugged, and try back next time. This is my only advice. I know this kind of sounds stupid, but 'cause I literally did the same thing yesterday. Like I had it plugged into the back of the receiver, which is the box that comes with the Astro A20s, and nothing. I'm telling you, there is no reaction whatsoever. Like I could hear it turn on. I had the volume all the way up, which is not recommended, but you know what I'm saying. I had no audio whatsoever last night. And let me tell you, I tried and repeated the same things for like two different times within a couple hours of apart. So I thought maybe my because I got like a lot of sound, like I got my soundboard, I got my microphone wired through my, you know, voice changer, and I have all kinds of different audio stuff going on. So I felt like maybe, I tried going to my sound on my control panel, sorry, and make sure it's on default. It was like I can hear like, you know, when you're playing music, you can hear it or you see it bouncing. I just couldn't have the headset paired. Like everything was right. It's just like my headset was not connected to my receiver for some reason, but somehow I just decided to want to work today. But whatever. Cheers.